Guess what just came in the mail? I am so excited about this camera. This was my birthday present for my incredible parents. I'm so thankful for them. They're so supportive of how much I'm enjoying content creation. So this was just the best birthday present ever. I figured let's do a little unboxing and then we'll do a vlog testing this camera. And I'll let y'all know at the end of this video my honest thoughts on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've heard such good things about this camera, so I'm really excited to try it. It's supposed to be really good for vlogging, so let's do a little unboxing and then I'm gonna mess around with the settings and shoot a vlog. I'm so excited. Let's unbox this baby. I literally can't believe it. I have been eyeing this camera, y'all. First, we have some silica gel. Very important. I forgot to mention, I got the creator combo. I've heard that makes it the most worth it because it comes with like a nice little mic you can clip on and a little tripod, which is gonna be so nice. Guys, this is the best day ever. It has a little case it comes in. I'm doing my own sound effects. Here she is. She's so tiny. Look at her. I'm scared to touch anything because I don't know what everything is yet. Oh my gosh. Do I peel? That's the screen. I peel that off. Oh, I'm so scared to touch anything. So let's unbox and then I'll start messing with things because I'm so scared. We've got this. I think it says battery handle, so we'll see. Oh, okay. This is the little microphone that you can just boop, clip on. That's so nice. What's this? Y'all, I'm so chaotic right now. This is my first unboxing video, if you can't tell. I usually just do yarn hauls. So let's see what this is. This also looks like a battery thing. We've got two little things here. Sorry, this is so chaotic. This is gonna be a very honest review of this because you clearly can tell I'm an amateur. So if you're also a beginner content creator and if this goes well for me, you'll know you can do it too. Here's the little tripod. Look how precious. Oh, that's gonna be so nice and discreet. That's the only tripod I have. It's so great. It's this one and it is pretty portable. I can fit it in like my biggest purse, which is nice, and so I can take it a lot of places with me, but this is not discreet, not at all. This, I'll just prop up on my table at the coffee shop. That will be so much, oh, thank goodness. This goes on the microphone, it's a little wind thing. I don't wanna take everything out because I lose things, but little wind muffler to put on the mic. Okay, thank goodness. We've got a quick start guide. I'm gonna need that. And I don't think I'm gonna show y'all me trying to assemble everything and figure it out because that could take forever. But I'll let y'all know how quick that setup is so that you can know for if you want to get this. Also, you can get this tripod in my Amazon storefront. I do really like it, even though it's not discreet. It's so nice. I use it for all of my TikToks and things like that because I can put it right at the height I want because this thing expands. Anyway, this is a great tripod. I'll put the link in the description below. I also have this in my Amazon storefront, so I'll put this in the link in the description below if this review goes well. What is this? Protective cover. That is gonna be vital for me. There should be, here it is, the wide angle lens. This is gonna be so cool. It like basically turns it into 0.5. I'm not gonna unpack that yet because that is something I will lose. So let's just start. I'm gonna start assembling things now and we'll see how this goes. The next shot you will see is probably gonna be through this. So I'll see you in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And then I'm gonna take her, probably not today, but that doesn't matter to y'all. You're not gonna feel the time difference between today and next week because it's gonna be the next clip. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a little vlog crocheting at coffee shops around Nashville. So this will still be a crochet vlog. I'm not straying from my crochet content, I promise. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the vlog in here. said that I was pretty and you liked my company, but I didn't give an answer, I just stood and watched you leave. So this is the point in the day where I would usually go downstairs and make my coffee and journal while I drink it. But today I kind of want to take y'all to my favorite coffee shop to go do some crocheting and do some work at. So we're going to get ready to go there instead. And I'm going to do a little bit of makeup today. I don't typically do makeup on an everyday basis, but today I'm shooting quite a bit of content, so I figured let's spruce ourselves up a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all my everyday makeup routine for when I do actually put some makeup on, when I'm in the mood to look a little bit put together. While I don't like to do makeup every day, I will say when I do makeup and I put some effort into my appearance, I overall ultimately just feel so much more put together. So there is a big bonus there with that. I just feel more productive and like I don't know, ready. These are all the products we're going to use today. I'm going to start with this e.l.f. concealer that my friend helped me pick out. This was the first concealer I ever bought. So, well, it's the second bottle of it, and I haven't been using the same one, but she introduced me to that aspect of makeup, and I am forever indebted to her for that because concealer does wonderful things. And I've had some under eye bags lately, just dark circles because I've just been so tired. And when I do makeup for like a show, because I'm a singer-songwriter, I will typically use a makeup sponge to do all of this, but we're just doing this very quickly today and just kind of throwing on a little bit of something to cover up these under eye circles. So I'm just gonna rub it in the best I can with my finger. After all of it, maybe I'll go in with a makeup sponge if it looks like this. And then I like to use this Loon and Aster. It's just tinted moisturizer with SPF, so also sun protection. And I just put a little bit of this in because it's closer to my actual skin tone than the concealer, so it's going to cover up the concealer a little bit so it doesn't just look totally white under my eyes. And I will put all of these products, at least the Loon and Aster I know is in my Amazon storefront. I'll put them in the link in the description below so that if you're interested in some, oh that was way too much, some tinted moisturizer with SPF. We're just gonna have to, like that was too much, so I'm gonna have to put it everywhere because, whoops. Yeah, this was way more than I meant to do. Oh well. I'll probably have to get the sponge out, but that's fine. And then I like to use this e.l.f. eyebrow gel. Otherwise my eyebrows will not stay put during the day. So I like to gel my eyebrows in place. And then I do my mascara while I let that dry a little bit. Otherwise I find that the eyebrow pencil kind of smears a little bit. Oh, and the mascara I use is CoverGirl Clump Crusher. I've used this since like high school. It's become my favorite. Usually I use the waterproof, but this is not the waterproof. I ran out, so. But this one is great too. And now I'm going to go in with an e.l.f. eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows. I'm just going to color them in a little bit because I've got a few spots where it's kind of like missing like a chunk of eyebrow like right there. So we're just going to color that in. And that's the look for today. If you were in need of a quick, I think that took me 6 minutes, little 6-minute makeup look, there you are. Now I'm going to go wipe the makeup off my hands and I'm going to go get packed up to go crochet at the coffee shop. And I'm also going to work on writing a script for a brand deal that I'm working on. And maybe I'll edit another YouTube video. And yeah, but let's go walk to the coffee shop. I'll also probably try out the mic that came with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to see how that works on a walk outside, the little like clip-on mic. So let's go do that. Okay, now we're trying this microphone. One thing that I love about the area that I live in is there's so many coffee shops that are walkable. It's such a walkable area. So the one we're going to is very close to my house. And I've actually done a crochet pop-up shop at this place, and I think it's just the cutest. You're gonna love it. It's the cutest coffee shop, and some nights it turns into a little jazz bar. And I haven't been there for jazz yet, but that might be next on my list to do around here. But for now, let's just walk there for some coffee. And I'll keep guessing what's going on in your head, and you'll keep messing with mine again and again. It's never ending, the circles we're going in, but I keep hoping for us in the end. But does it ever end? I let you play me like a fiddle, and I lost it trying to solve your riddles, and you beg for something just to leave it, and I hate myself, I wouldn't see it before. And I'll keep saying, I don't care how you feel, no one can see it, but I'm mad as hell. Okay, so I just got home from the coffee shop, and now I'm going to shoot a brand deal for my Instagram account. And I'm not going to show that process because, I haven't announced that I'm doing this brand deal yet. So yeah, I'm just going to work on that. And it's about 10 a.m. now. And I've gotten a lot done already today. It has felt so productive. So I'm really happy about that. And yeah, so let's shoot this brand deal. And then I don't know what I'll do after that. So I'll fill you in just a second. So it's about 1:40 now, and I actually just got back from walking a dog and filling up my tires with air. So sorry I didn't bring y'all along for that. I try to respect the owners of these dogs' privacy, so I don't typically film a lot on those walks. And filling up my tires is boring, so yeah. But it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna go make some lunch, and y'all can come with me. I'm probably also gonna make some tea, and then get back to crocheting. What can I say? Wishing for simpler days. Summer spent on playground swings or splashing around in the creek. My parents took good care of me. My sisters kept me company. We never needed anything, and I'm so grateful for everything. And if I want to go back, I turn on my childhood soundtrack. Mine sounds like Willie Nelson playing on a 60s radio station, driving down I-35, happy just being alive. If I want to relive those days, I grab a record and just hit play, and I'm there instantly. Music is my favorite time machine. Okay, so I just went ahead and ate my dinner. And I didn't feel like showing all that. I showed you making lunch, so you don't need to see me in the kitchen too much today. But yeah, so now it's about, what time is it? 7 o'clock. It's 7, so I think I'm just gonna hop in the shower and get my jammies on and start winding down for the night. I'll probably crochet for quite a while and then go to bed. So we're getting to the end of the vlog, but not quite yet. Yeah, time to get ready for bed. Honey, the wine's still chilled. Sunset's a quarter till. Beach guitar with no case in hand. Play the one by my favorite band. And if moments could never end, I'd live this one again and again. You'd always look at me just like this. The sun would hang right where it is. Okay, so it's about 10 o'clock now, and I think I'm just about ready to go to bed. I'm pretty tired.
So I think that concludes this vlog. I made some progress crocheting a scarf for my friend this morning, so I'm really excited about that. I finished crocheting for a brand deal and filmed the crochet process for it and all of that, so that was really excited. I'm really excited. I'll be posting that soon on Shorts and on Instagram. So stay tuned for my first brand deal. And then I also made a lot of progress with this bunny that I'm making for a market I have on Friday. It's a Valentine's market, and so she's pink. And I'm really excited. I love crocheting bunnies, honestly. I kind of hope no one buys her because I want to keep her. Anyway, so that's what I crocheted today. And then I am loving this camera. I changed a few of the settings when I took it out, just so y'all know everything behind what you've seen today in the vlog. When I scrolled up, I switched it to 4K resolution, and I'm shooting it in 60 frames per second. I need to do a little bit more research on that, but I like the way it's looked so far, so that's what I'm at. And I also turned the sharpness down too, because I saw someone else say they did that, and I, just do whatever other people do. Just kidding. That's a joke. But I think those are the only settings I changed and messed with. So yeah, but I'm loving this camera. It's so fun to film with, and it's so cool. It's just been exciting. It's made this vlog so much fun, and I will definitely be using it to vlog my market this weekend and just for everything coming up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it gave you some insight into the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 if you're thinking about getting it for your vlogs. Yeah, it's a great camera. I'm really loving it, and very user-friendly. As you can tell, I'm not techie, so yeah. And once I'm thinking about learning like color grading and all of that, so in a couple months I might do an update on the camera video to let y'all know how learning new things like color grading and all of that. But this is without any of that, and it still looks great, so definitely beginner user-friendly. But anyway, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I've got lots more crochet vlogs on my channel, crochet tutorials, all that fun stuff. And I hope I see you next time. Bye!